I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Chevy Cruze engine air filter. First, open your vehicle's hood and secure it with the prop rod. The engine air filter housing is usually found on the driver's side of the engine bay. You will need a standard Phillips head screwdriver for this simple job. Make sure you have your new, clean engine air filter on hand before you begin. Now let's access the filter. Look for the air filter box, a black plastic housing. You'll see about 4 to 6 Phillips head screws around its perimeter. Use your screwdriver to loosen these screws by turning them counterclockwise. Don't worry, they are designed to stay attached to the cover. Once loosened, gently lift the entire airbox cover to reveal the old, dirty air filter inside. With the cover lifted, carefully pull out the old engine air filter. Take a moment to inspect the airbox for any accumulated leaves, dust, or other debris. You can use a vacuum or a clean cloth to remove any dirt. Now, take your new air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Ensure it sits flush and correctly, often with a mesh or plastic screen facing upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble. Carefully lower the airbox cover back onto its base, making sure the screw holes align perfectly. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten all 4 to 6 screws by turning them clockwise until they are snug. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Double-check any hoses or sensors you might have moved, then close your vehicle's hood. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.